Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son?
Guess what? I'm back with another video. What's going on, guys? How's everyone today? I actually started working. That's why last night I was not able to upload the video, nor was I able to make it, man. Anyway, today is Monday. We started off fresh. If you guys do not know who the Monday Midsole is, make sure you check the links in my description. You can check them out right now. They're actually on right now at 8 p.m. every Monday. They got the dopest guests. Like, these four dudes, man, are the most humblest, like dudes I've ever met in my life, honestly. They are my family. We got Buckeye City Soul, Molly Mall, One Legged Lister, Polos and Jays. If you want to check them out, their links will be in the description, as well as their podcast channel, the Monday Midsole. Anyway, now that we got that out the way, today I'm going to be picking the winner for the 2K giveaway, and somebody's going to win these Carmelo Anthony's today. So I was going to upload last night, but like I said, I couldn't upload last night, nor could I make the video because I actually had work the next morning, and that's pretty much it. But I am making a video today. I don't have work tomorrow. I got work Wednesday, so pretty dope. And I got a special unboxing too for this video too, so it should be a dope video. I'm gonna give away some sneakers, and I'm gonna open up some brand new sneakers from Jordan brand. Well, not actually from them. They didn't send it to me. Maybe one day. Anyway, you know what? Let's get right to it. Let me get my phone. I'm doing the giveaway a little bit differently, you know, because this is the way I came up with it. I asked my wife. She's like, yeah, she gave me a little input on everything, you know, what to do, how to do. I'm like, all right, let's see if this works. So, in order to win this pair of sneakers right here, I asked you to first make sure you subscribe to the channel. Second, to watch 3 videos, and I asked 3 questions in those videos. And I wanted you to answer them down below on the last video, which some of you guys did, some of you guys didn't. But whoever did is actually automatically entered into the giveaway. And that's how we're going to do it right now. We're going to check right now. I'm just going to randomly do it. Let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so we got 11 people who entered the giveaway. I'm going to say their names right now, if I can pronounce most of them. We got Colt45, which is a subscriber that's always, been true to me, true to the channel. Always, watching my videos, always freaking, commenting down below as well. Then we have Courtney Benton, something. Courtney, I think that says. Yeah, Courtney Benton. I think I've seen him before a few times too. Not too sure. Then we got Zuza 101. We got my boy Frankie, NY State of Mind 23. Stefano Broshi. I don't know the last name, but anyway, got that dude. Daniel Robinson. We got Tokyo Butter. My boy Rob Banks, always showing support. My boy Matt Pinskalowski. Hope I'm not saying that wrong, Matt. I most likely am, though. Fresh Kicks. And BM. And that's about it. Now, all these people I have to pick, from all these people. So you know what I'm gonna do? If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that right now. I'm gonna post the winner in my story as soon as the winner recognizes that he won, after he's finished watching this video. He's gonna go down to the, if you're not following me on Instagram already, you're gonna go down in the description, click the link to my Instagram, go to my Instagram story, and you'll see who actually won the pair of Carmelo Anthony's. So that's how we're gonna do it. After this video is uploaded and you've watched it, just like I said, go down in the description, hit up my Instagram, go to my Instagram story, and you'll see if you're the winner or not. Like I said, I think there was 11, 12 people. You got 1 out of 11 chances to be the winner of this sneaker. So stay tuned, check that out. Make sure go to my Instagram down below. I want to thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. I know it's probably not any giveaway that that you're used to, but screw it. Step outside the box, do something different. But anyway, make sure you go to my Instagram and check if you are one of the winners. I read out all the names, so make sure you go and check. All right, let's get into today's unboxing. I never really do unboxings on the channel like that, but this is a special one, man. So let me get out my golden knife and let's get in this bad boy. I'm not gonna waste no time because I am hype. Oh, look at that. So hype that I cut myself. Whew. Crazy. I forgot this knife is sharp as hell. We can't be doing this because we can't be bleeding on these sneakers. Alright. You know what I'm not used to seeing is that Nike symbol on the box, man. That's pretty much giving it away to the thieves. Like, yo, there's some Nikes in there. Make sure you check them out. Receipt. Get out of here with that. Let's put this dangerous ass knife down. And what do we got, ladies and gentlemen? And if you guessed right. We got some Air Jordan 11 Concords. Sorry, I have to make sure this doesn't bleed on the Concords because I'll snap. Woo! Are we hype? Are we hype? I know I'm hype. Are you hype? Woo! Woo! Let's get them out the box and have a look-see. Gotta make sure I'm not bleeding. Got the babies crying upstairs. Oh my, oh goodness, these are beautiful. Woo! The leather on it is, oh, A1. The only thing I don't like about it. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get into a full detailed review of these, and it will be dropping tomorrow, most definitely. Tomorrow, this will be dropping the review on the Concords, man. Oh, these are so gorgeous. These are so gorgeous. Whew. And I picked these up on that sneak drop, man. Thank God I opened up my phone. If I didn't open up my phone, I would have never had these. I tried to win a pair for my son too. By the time I tried, they were all gone. They dropped anyway. 1,000,000 pairs supposedly. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So much for watching. Remember, the winner for the 2K giveaway, the Carmelo Anthony's. Make sure you go to my Instagram and check my Instagram story. Their name will be in my Instagram story. And as soon as you see that, if you won, make sure you DM me your address so I can ship these sneakers directly to you. But for now, it's your man, the son of some man, and I'm out, guys. Peace.